How to turn off direct messages on threads. So I have in here my threads. I just need to click on this two lines option. And for this one, just go to hover to the privacy. Now for this one, you can see this mentions, online status, as well as a lot more. So as you can see, Threads actually has no direct messages function. It is because it's integrated to Instagram itself. So what we can do is we can head over to Instagram and change it from there. Let's go over to our Instagram. Then just click on the icon, click on these three lines. And then for this one, just click on the search and then search in here for message. Now from in here, you can see this message request. Now in here, your followers on Instagram can be your message request only or others on Instagram. But for this one, you can also choose in here this don't receive option and just update the settings. In that way, it will actually be updated. So that's how you turn off direct messages on Threads. Hope we help.